Hi divas, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you all how to make Almond brightening and toning body lotion for caramel skin and for chocolate skin and for dark skin people that want to brighten up. If you're dark, if you have a caramel skin and you want to brighten up your skin, you want to tone your skin, so I'm making this cream for you guys, and I'm going to be making this cream with almond seed because almond milk is very good when it comes to brightening and when it comes to toning. So guys, this is our almond seed. This is the seed, and we are going to soak it so that we'll be able to extract the seed. So guys, if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are welcome. Please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. In here we do all organic and made skincare products. So guys, now we are going to peel out our almond seed so that we'll be able to blend and extract the milk. So guys, this is our almond seed. So it has been fully peeled. I peeled it, and now I'm going to blend it so that we will be able to extract the milk. And here is my oil phase. I have my shea butter, I have my coconut oil, and I also have my orange oil. So these oils are going to help to lighten up your skin. So I have my vitamin E powder. Also I have my Allantoin powder. And I have my Giga white powder. Also, this is my organic sulfur powder called MSM. And here is my Proplyn glycol. And I also have my glycerin. Of course, we are going to preserve our products. So guys, now we have to go and blend this out so that we will be able to extract our milk. And make sure not to blend using tap water. Always use distilled water when it comes to skin care products. Do not use tap water, and make sure to spray your working areas. Make sure there are no dust. Make sure your working tools are well cleaned. Spray them with alcohol. So guys, now we are going to blend. So I'm using distilled water to blend my almond seed. We are done blending, and of course you are going to strain your almond seed to prevent any lumps. Strain with a clean fitted cloth. And this is our almond seed milk. So guys, I'm going to leave all the measurements below my description box. Go and check it out so that you will know all the measurements that we are using. And of course I will be making 500 grams of our almond brightening cream. So guys, now I will be adding in Proplyn glycol. So what Proplyn glycol does, it helps all your active ingredients to penetrate deep into your skin and soften your skin. So we are adding in our glycerin. And I will be adding in our Allantoin powder. So if you have been following me, and I believe you all know the full benefits of Allantoin powder on skincare products on your skin. So now we are going to add our MSM powder, which is our organic sulfur. So we are preparing our water phase, and we are adding in our Giga white powder. So guys, now we are going to double boil it, and we are going to dissolve all our oil phase and also our water phase. So guys, we are back and we have 140 degrees. So what we are going to do next, we are going to pour in our oil, sorry guys, our water phase into our oil phase. And we are going to stick blend. Make sure there are no bubbles. You can see how beautiful it's coming out, and very creamy. So guys, this is our almond milk, and it's very hot, so you can see how creamy this looks. So we are going to allow it to cool down before we can add in our cool down phase. So the next thing that we are going to be adding is our vitamin E powder. So if you have the oil, you can also use vitamin E oil. And we are going to give it a mix, and make sure to stick blend it so that everything will dissolve properly. And now we are going to measure out our preservative. So like I said before guys, go to the description box. You are going to see all the ingredients and the measurements that I used in making this almond brightening cream. So give it a good mix. Always use your stick blender guys. So we are going to be adding our fragrance oil, and we'll be using vanilla. Vanilla is so nice, and it smells very nice on the skin. So we are going to give it a good mix. And the next thing that we are going to do is to measure out the pH. It's very important to know the pH of your product guys. So we got the right pH. This is between 5 to 6. So it's time for us to pour in our almond milk into our jar container. Make sure to spray, and make sure that your container is well clean, sterilized with alcohol. So guys, I'm going to be telling you the full benefits of almond milk on our skin. So almond milk helps to keep your skin plumpy and is well hydrated. Almond contains vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin A, zinc, calcium. Almond milk gentle cleanses the skin, and it makes your skin look smooth and nourished. So guys, this cream is for dark skin people, it's for caramel skin people, for those that want to glow their skin, they want to maintain their skin color, they don't want to lighten up their skin. So most of the powders that I used here, they are all some guys brightening powders, none is lightening powders. So guys, thanks for watching. Share this video, leave your comment below, and give this video a huge thumbs up. See you soon in my other next video. Bye.